Hey guys, Luke Parker here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid to receive text messages. And the best thing is, this strategy is completely free, and all it requires is a mobile phone. So if you're excited to get started, go ahead and smash that like button. And without any further ado, let's get into this. All right, guys, now in this video, I'm going to cover how to get paid to receive text messages. Now, in full disclosure, this is not going to be a huge payout, but the reason I wanted to cover this video is because this is going to be passive income, which is what I love. I'm an affiliate marketer, and I especially like any kind of income stream that can be passive. And the thing with passive income is that you want to have multiple income streams. These will all add up over time, and you'll end up making a good amount of money. So this alone is not going to make you a lot of money, but again, it's going to be completely passive. This is not going to be receiving text messages and then having to respond to those text messages. This is completely passive. You'll be receiving text messages, and that's all you have to do. There's nothing else that is required from you. So to get started, we're going to take a look at Money SMS, and that's moneysmsapp.com. This is the first app that I wanted to take a look at. Now, the way that Money SMS app works is you want to start by downloading the APK. So the best way to get started is to actually go on your phone, visit moneysmsapp.com, visit this instructions page, and click on this button, download APK. That's going to download the APK on your phone and allow you to start using this app. You will not be able to simply go on Google Play and download this app. You have to download the APK first. Also, this is only available on Android devices, unfortunately. So anyone with an iOS device won't be able to do this. Unfortunately, Apple is just very secure about their apps with reading certain SMS messages. So this is only available for Android. Now, the way that this works is basically you want to start by downloading the app on your phone. Next, you want to register and launch. You're going to start with your phone number, of course. Then you want to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you want to make sure that you're keeping this app running so that you can just continually receive these text messages. This is kind of how this works. Then you're going to receive a test SMS message. And then once you start receiving those text messages, you're going to start getting paid. Now, you can see here that they will say you will get paid €2 for each received test. You can request money withdrawal as soon as your balance hits €2. Receive your money in 48 hours. Now, we're going to head over to the homepage so you can take a look a little bit about more of how this works and why you are getting paid for these text messages. So you can see here that the app only works on Android, which I covered earlier. It's an easy way to earn money online. It is secure. It says that our app does not read any of your private messages or uses any other data. We only read our own test SMS, which is really important. So they're not going through and reading your text messages. They're only reading the test SMS. Of course, this app is completely free and it's automatic. You earn money through the app. Again, passively, there's nothing you really have to do other than receive the text messages, and you can delete the text messages whenever you want. So you're not getting all these texts stacked up in your phone. Now, the thing that I really like about this particular app is that it does have a referral program, which, again, I'm an affiliate marketer. I like affiliate marketing, and I like getting commissions off of products that I recommend. So this is great. You can earn a 30% from any referral on this app. So again, this is just a great way to earn passive income without having to do anything. The money automatically just shows up into your account balance. So here's some more screenshots from their app. This shows how the balance looks like on the app. The money automatically shows up on your balance, and we can take a look here and see that there's some information about the referral program and their withdrawals. The interesting thing too here is that you can get paid out in PayPal or Bitcoin, Ethereum, WebMoney. So there's several different ways for you to get paid out, which is another bonus of using this app. So this is a great app to get started. There's a few more that I want to cover, and we're going to get into those right now. And before we hop into those other apps, guys, I want to make sure that if you want to get started with Money SMS, you can check out my referral code in the description, and you will get a cash bonus if you use my code when you start up. So make sure you check that out. Now, let's check out the other apps. All right, guys, now the second app we're going to cover is called smsprofit.net. Now, this is basically the same concept. You're going to be getting paid to receive text messages. You're not going to have to respond to those text messages. You're simply just going to be paid to receive them. So this, again, is completely passive. They go ahead and state that again here with all you have to do is run SMS Profit app and allow us to send you SMS. Everything works in the background. You will earn real money online for doing nothing. They also state that more registered phone numbers earn more money. Earn for each received SMS test. Now, if you scroll down here on the page, you can find out more about this app. Again, they state that this is completely passive. Just run the app, make sure that your phone is always connected to the internet, and get paid to receive SMS for each phone number that you have verified. With SMS Profit, you should not do anything else to earn money. And again, this is very easy. It is free and it requires no investment. They state here that you do not need to invest anything. You actually will be awarded with 5 cents when you register. So you're going to be getting paid as soon as you set up. So basically how this works is you want to start by downloading the app. You want to register and launch. Make sure that you're connected to the internet. Always keep the app running. And then you start receiving test SMS messages, and then that's when you'll start to get paid. So it's as simple as that. Again, here are some screenshots from the app. This is, again, your balance. This is what it looks like from your SMS history. So this is some of the payouts that you can expect, and this is what it will look like on your phone. Okay, now taking a look at the frequently asked questions, we can see here that how often will I receive SMS? They state that if you are constantly online, you will normally receive at least 1 SMS per 24 hours. So again, this is probably not going to be a huge payout, but again, this is completely passive. So this is something that if you are looking to make a little extra money on the side completely passively without doing anything, this is a good strategy for doing that. Then they ask, how much money do I make and how? They state that you will be paid for each received test SMS and successfully pushed back to our server. 1 SMS could be from 1 cent up to 6 cents USD. So again, this is not a huge payout, but this is passive. So you have to keep that in mind. This is just running completely in the background and not really requiring you to do anything at all. Next, I wanted just to dive into some of the testimonials and reviews of this app just to kind of see what people are saying and see if there's any concerns or if people are being scammed in any way. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. All right, now I'm on the Google Play Store. You can see here I'm on the SMS Profit app. You'll see here that it says demo. And that's because you cannot actually download this app directly from Google Play onto your phone. If you want to download this app, you need to go to the website, which is smsprofit.net, and you want to click this button right here, download APK, directly from your phone, and that's how you'll get this app onto your device. So this app in the Google Play Store is purely for demo purposes, but this is a great way to see the app and kind of see the features and functionality and get a chance to read some of these reviews, which is what I wanted to do. So let's just take a look at the top 2 and see what people are actually saying about this app. So the top reviewer here says, very recommended app. Payment process is very fast. I got the money just a couple of hours after I requested the payout. Thank you. It's not big money, but I don't do anything to earn it. Just having this app on my phone and letting it work in the background. I love this app. So again, that kind of speaks to what I was saying earlier, is that this is not a huge payout, but again, it runs in the background. It's completely passive. So if you're just earning, a couple dollars extra, why not? If that pays for your coffee, again, that's great. You didn't do anything really to have to earn that. So it's a nice little passive income stream. So the second reviewer says it's a legit app and it's working 100%. I just transferred $2 to my PayPal account and it's very easy to use. In fact, no need to use. Just download the app and keep it open and connected with Wi-Fi always and enjoy the dollars coming to you without any effort. So again, this doesn't require any effort. It's very simple. It just runs in the background. So this is another one of the apps that I would recommend if you are looking to get started with this strategy. But there are a couple others that I wanted to take a look at, and let's go ahead and dive into those now. Okay guys, now we're on another app called Control My SMS. This website is controlmysms.com. Again, this is pretty much the same as the previous apps that we've looked at. If you want to get this on your phone, you need to visit this website on your phone and click on the download APK button right here. That will get it on your phone and you'll be able to start using this phone along with the other apps. And really, this is why I'm showing you multiple apps here, is that these are all pretty much the same thing, but if you want, you can stack these apps on your phone and that will start to increase the amount of passive income you're making from these apps. If you have all these apps on your phone, it just makes that much more money. So with Control My SMS, if you click here on Get Info, you can take a look at kind of what you can expect with using this app. So you can see here that from the first to the 50th message at 12 cents, you're going to be making about $6 a month. And this gets into a little more details about what you can actually expect to make by using this app and the frequency of the messages and the amount of monthly income you can expect to make with this as well. And as you can see here, they also pay out with PayPal, Western Union, or wire transfer. I think PayPal is probably the most common approach. That's what most people use. And that's basically it for Control My SMS. There's one more app I'm going to show you, and we are going to get into that right now. Okay guys, the last app I wanted to show you here is called McMoney. This is a very popular app for making money with SMS. So if you go to www.cm.com/McMoney, you can get this app on your phone. Again, like the previous apps that I discussed, if you want to get this on your phone, you need to visit this website on your phone and you're going to have to download the APK. So again, with these apps, a common theme here is that these are all for Android. Unfortunately, these don't work for iPhone. And so you're going to need to have an Android device in order to be using these apps. So once you download the APK, then you can proceed to installation, register your phone, and they'll start sending you text messages, which will start earning you money. So this is another very popular choice. I would encourage you to include this one as well with all the other apps if you are considering doing this strategy. And again, these aren't huge money makers, but these are a great way to earn passive income. And if you stack all these apps together, it'll add up to a decent amount of passive income. Obviously, you're not going to retire on this. This is not for that purpose. This is strictly just to have another passive income stream that will make you consistent money without you having to do anything. You'll just have these apps on your phone, you'll receive text messages, and you can delete the text messages once you receive them. So if you are interested in having a totally passive income stream that is relatively small, definitely look into these apps I discussed here. So guys, if you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to the channel and make sure that you hit that notification bell because I'm making more videos just like this one every single week and you're not going to want to miss them. So stay tuned for the next video and I will see you soon.